Hello and welcome to Kanen Coffee Espresso Machines. Today we're testing this beautiful 2-position switch La Pavoni. You can see it's an older model because it has a 2-position switch. Let's go ahead and pull a test shot. Missing a little bit in the cup there. You can see we're getting really good crema though. We'll test the steam. Nice strong steam. So thank you for pairing with Kanen Coffee. Please like our videos below. If you'd like to see more videos like this, subscribe to our channel. Thank you.